luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology wrapped in a stunning package. That's the Infiniti Q50 for you, a premium sports sedan that promises to elevate every drive. So, what makes the Q50 stand out in a crowded market? Let's dive in. Right off the bat, the Infiniti Q50 grabs your attention with its bold and sophisticated design. The iconic double-arch grille paired with those sleek LED headlights gives it a sharp, aggressive stance. The flowing lines along the sides don't just add elegance, they enhance aerodynamics for better performance. And those 19-inch alloy wheels? Pure eye candy. Under the hood, the Q50 offers two impressive powertrains. The base 2.0L turbocharged engine delivers a solid 268 horsepower, perfect for daily commutes. But if you're craving thrills, the 3.0L twin-turbo V6, packing up to 400 horsepower in the Red Sport 400 trim, is where the magic happens. Acceleration is smooth and responsive, and the 7-speed automatic transmission ensures a seamless ride. Step inside, and you're greeted by a luxurious, driver-focused cabin. The leather-appointed seats with optional quilted stitching not only look premium but also offer exceptional comfort. Dual touchscreen displays dominate the center console, giving you access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Safety is a priority in the Q50. Features like predictive forward collision warning, blind spot intervention, and a round-view monitor with moving object detection give you confidence behind the wheel. Infiniti's ProPILOT Assist adds a semi-autonomous driving experience, making long trips easier and safer. The Infiniti Q50 combines luxury, performance, and innovation in a way that few sedans can match. Whether you're looking for a sporty ride or a refined daily driver, this car delivers on all fronts. But don't just take our word for it, experience it for yourself. Like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews. See you on the next ride.